Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. Today's episode is going to be a bit different because recently I stumbled upon this. What is this, you ask? This is a little booklet that I had when I was about 13 to 14 years old, where I wrote some random things, and among those random things were some recipes. Some of them are really strange because around that time I just started cooking, so I was just experimenting away with everything I basically could. Some experiments were okay, some were not so great, I think, in hindsight, but I thought it would be a nice idea to maybe try and recreate some of these recipes for you guys, and also for me, just to see what it all was about. I hope that you enjoy this kind of an episode. Let me know what you think and enjoy this episode. So for this episode I thought I'm going to make one of the first recipes I've written down in my little booklet. It's called a banana pyramid.
Banana?
Banana. The banana pyramid. It is what it is. It's basically a banana that I cut into slices. Then I took 5 centiliters of cream, which I've whipped up with some sugar. It doesn't say how much sugar, so I'm just going to eyeball it with a little bit of sugar. But the twist is, you don't whip it enough that it turns into whipped cream. You stop just before it starts to foam up, and then you finish it off by sprinkling some coffee on top. Sounds lovely, doesn't it? Well, let's get started. So the first step is to cut the banana into slices. I'm just going to cut them into equal slices. Eat the top, of course. I vaguely recall that the pyramid didn't have a top. It had a flat surface so that I could spread the coffee and the cream nicely. So that's that. Let's take a plate. It specifically says, first make a pyramid, then the cream. So we're going to make it the pyramid. There we go. We have our pyramid. This is way too funny. So now, 5 centiliters of cream, add it in a bowl, add the sugar, and then whip it until it just starts turning into foam, whatever that means. Right, I'm just going to dump the sugar in there, and let's whip everything up. As you can see, it's just starting to take the foam shape, so now it's time to pour it over the pyramid. I'm just anticipating that this will go overboard, so I'm putting a little bit of kitchen paper around the plate. Oh lordy. So everything is secure. I'm going to pour the cream over the bananas. I still have roughly 25 milliliters left, but I think this is enough. Otherwise my bananas will be swimming in cream. And now the moment supreme. Finish it off with a sprinkle of coffee. And there you go, the masterpiece called Banana Pyramid. What have I created?
I can't wait for you to taste this.
I remember I made this for my parents and they were like, maybe you shouldn't be a cook. I'm really curious. I'm not going to put Tess through it, so I'm going to taste it myself.
Thank you.
Here we go. So, time for a taste test. I've equipped myself with a spoon and a fork. Aesthetically, my 14-year-old self would be proud. Taste-wise, cheers. Actually not quite bad, as I must say. Because there's coffee and cream, it has that little coffee flavor with the banana. If you have a banana and you dunk it in a pot of coffee and eat it, it's this. Not half bad.
Are you going to finish it?
It does not look appetizing and it sounds weird, but for a 14-year-old me creating random shit, this is not half bad.
Stop eating it! It's not healthy!
It's delicious!
But it's like cream with a bit of sugar.
You wanna try it? You're just jealous. You wanna try it? Test! It's not bad, right?
It's not bad?
I know!
It's actually pretty good. It's pretty decent.
It's decent. It's edible.
Yeah.
That's what I was going for.
Yeah. Close the video.
I will close this dish. So, I call this a success?
Sure.
I hope that you enjoyed this kind of weird yet special, fun episode, for me anyway. And let us know what you think. If you want to see more episodes like this, you can always leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this episode. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.